Okay.
Pull the mystery card out first.
Oh, you got it.
I want to see what it
I
is.
love these things.
Oh, it's a
Oh, nice. Number
Whitey
10.
Ford. 4 to 10.
That's cool.
At least it's not a white suede.
Yeah, nice.
Okay, let's see here. There you go.
Stan Musial. I haven't seen one of his.
I haven't either. So
Wow, there's
that could be really good or really bad.
Autograph.
One of one. Any one of one.
Yeah, autograph 4-way game used. I'm not asking for much.
That's
Oh,
six. Six are not signed, but 3 of 10. Looks like jersey, bat, jersey, jersey, bat, jersey. No signature, but these are all going to be at 250. All right. No Ruth.
Wait, what does that say? Does it say 3 of 10?
3 of 10. Yeah.
Nice.
Okay.